I might have found an answer for these mysterious quote-unquote Acer printing keycaps. Um, these are found on usually 6511s, 6311s, older NMB Dome slider boards, and the older Silatech AT101 boards. So this cap on the left is from a 6311, and the one on the right is from an NMB Apple Design keyboard. One thing I initially noticed about these is that they kind of have a chalky feel, they usually have a chalky feel, usually the ones that aren't as worn. But I noticed this one, part of the letter is worn away, so we can actually get, I guess, sort of a better look. But what I think is how they made the legends on these keycaps is that they did like a clear coat all around, like covering the entire top surface of the keycap, which is why it feels like consistent and no like visible ridge of the letter. Like they feel like, I guess, dye sub keycaps, but they're definitely not dye sub, because like these NMB caps, I originally thought they were dye sub until I noticed that they can actually yellow a little bit. But with these, I'm gonna call them clear coat caps, I think it's like a higher quality form of pad printing. It uses like a clear coat piece, that covers the entire top of the keycap with the letter like as part of it. And with these NB ones, they actually look like really good legends, but I think it was just a higher quality form of pad printed keycaps, like these clear coat caps. And yeah, I just found that kind of interesting. So I had a couple boards with keycaps that appear to use the same type of these legends, so I thought I'd make a video about it. But it's really interesting. But yeah, it's not just the letter, it's across the whole surface of the keycap. So yeah, that's my thoughts there.